There was a time when India suffering from the British rules. All Indian people came together for a fight to get freedom. But other hand, many people were suffering from untouchability and right to study, right to equality, and right for simple life to live together. The time was going ahead with all these things. In 1891, 14th April, he was born. He belonged to a poor Mahar family of Madhya Pradesh in India. There was no right to study for scheduled caste and tribal family. He dared to study in a school, but not with like other students. They allowed to sit separate from other students in the class. The reason was untouchability, and not allowed to touch the water and the vessel that contained it, even though he was a brilliant student in the class. In 1907, he was passed matriculation examination. By 1912, he obtained his degree in economics and political science from Bombay University. In 1913, he moved to United States at age of 22 for postgraduate at Columbia University in New York. And finally, he received his PhD in economics in 1924 from London. Later on, he back to India. He started as a legal professional in 1926 while practicing law in the Bombay High Court. He tried to promote education to untouchable and uplift them. By 1927, he had decided to launch an active movement against untouchability, and many problems solved by him. While struggling life achieved many things. The Education Department, Government of Maharashtra, philosophy of Hinduism, revolution and counter-revolution, Buddha or Karl Marx, the evolution of provincial finance in British India. He has a member of the Governor General's Executive Council. The Buddha and his Dharma, he is the principal architect of the Constitution of India. He was as a free Indian's first law minister and a member of opposition in Indian Parliament. And the time came, he became Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was president of Constitutional Committee and played key role in the preparation of Indian Constitution. At the same time, he was a patriot, a scholar, thinker and founding father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar, along with 2 lakh followers, embraced Buddhism in 1956 for hitting at the conscience of the Hindus. This widely learned man, reformer of downtrodden and father of Indian Constitution, passed away in 1956 at his home in Delhi. Seeing his contribution, Indian government posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna in 1990. Being born in scheduled caste or tribal family is not a hindrance. Don't feel guilty if you belong to. You can overcome your limitation by using your education and action. Think what you want to be, same as you right now or something beyond the limitation.